One of the best compliments anyone can give me upon entering my home is that my house smells great. So in today's episode, I'm going to share with you how you can easily and effectively make your home smell absolutely amazing. So stay tuned. Hey lady, welcome back to your new favorite talk show for Christian women, Grown Lady Chat, with me, your host, Dr. Sherunda Simone. The scents in your home are strong. You might not even notice them, but trust me, anytime someone opens your front door, opens a bathroom door or a bedroom door, the scent smacks them in the face, especially if they don't live in the home with you. Having a fragrant home is not just good for your visitors and guests. I really believe that my home life is enhanced when my home smells good. And I'm not talking about just on the first floor or just in the bathroom or the bedroom. No, I want for all areas of my home to smell good. Scents hold memories. You know, have you ever smelled a perfume and you can remember the first time when you smelled that scent and it takes you back to that place and it really brings that memory to life? Well, that's the same way with the fragrance in our home. I can still remember the wonderful aromas of my childhood home in Jamaica and here in the US. And yes, a lot of us love to burn candles, and I'm definitely a candle lady. Let me know if you are as well in the comment section. But there are other ways that you can improve the fragrance or the smell in your home. Are you a woman who enjoys beautiful things? 34/5 Lifestyle has lovely, unique accessories for your everyday look and also for those special occasions. Click the link below to check out our latest accessory collection. Before I go into today's episode, I want to say welcome back to all of you who continue to show up every week. Thank you very much. Ladies, you are blowing up my email, and I'm so happy. I really enjoy corresponding with you in the comment section, on Facebook, Instagram, and in the email community. So thank you so very much for doing that. I truly love to chat it up and continue the conversation. Now, if it's your first time tuning in or you've been watching Grown Lady Chat and you haven't chimed in the comments and introduced yourself, lady, please do so because I would love to give you a warm welcome. Every episode, I like to remind you that I do random monthly giveaways. The best way for you to enter the giveaway is by chatting it up in the comments, following the socials, and answering the question of the day. If you are a giveaway winner, you could get a gift card, home decor items, makeup, skincare, beauty products, faith-based resources, or personal development tools. So make sure that you join the conversation and just get engaged in Grown Lady Chat community. We are growing rapidly here on YouTube, as well as on Facebook, Instagram, and in the email community. We're having so much fun in the Grown Lady Chat community. We're elevating our faith walk and we're elevating our lifestyles. So I really want for you to be a part of it. Hey lady, are you a woman who loves the Lord and who also enjoys beautiful things? Well, if you are, then you are personally invited to join my exclusive Christian women's group. In this group, we chat about clothes, beauty, home decor, parenting, marriage, cooking, and of course, our Christian walk. It's Christian lifestyle all encompassing. So be sure to join by clicking the link below. I hope to chat with you soon. Now back to our show. Now, last episode, I announced one giveaway winner. I haven't yet heard from her, so make sure that if you are the giveaway winner, lady, reach out to me, because if I don't hear from you in the next day or two, then I will choose another winner. For today's question of the day, drop in the comments and let me know what your favorite perfume is. Since we're talking about fragrance and scents, I would love to know. And of course, I always pin the question of the day down below, and I'll share my answer there as well. And now it's time for Dr. Sherunda Simone's random but helpful information. Lady, always trust a dull pencil over a sharp mind. You're welcome. Now, this first tip to help make your home smell absolutely amazing is actually a tip from my dear mother-in-law. On one of her trips when she came here to visit us, I walked into the bedroom where she was staying, in the guest room, and it smelled so good. And I'm thinking to myself, my home smells yummy, but this room, it was very potent. I mean, really intense, and in a good way. So I had to ask her, I was like, Mama Marlene, what are you doing in this bedroom? She takes one of the scent towers like this, and she puts them over the vents in the room. That way, anytime the air comes on or the heat, it blows that fragrance and it goes all over the room. This has been an absolute game changer. Now, I always try to put the scent towers in places where they aren't obvious, but when I tell you that this makes such a difference, your home is going to smell so very good. And a lot of the good scents and even some of the name brand scents, they are also available at Dollar Tree. When you try this one, let me know just how much you like it. And if your home doesn't have many vents on the ground, then you can also try and place those scent towers directly underneath the overhead ventilation, because that's what I do in my office in my 9 to 5. And I find that it really intensifies the fragrance versus if I just put it, behind a shelf or even just in a corner. Lady, my whole office smells so good. Candle wax warmers. Lady, get into it. I have one right now that is on in our master bedroom. And when I hit like maybe the second or third step going upstairs, I can already smell the aroma and it smells so good. So by the time I get to the top of the steps, I mean, the whole upstairs smells yummy. The kids' room, the bathroom, and of course the master bedroom and bathroom as well. And I just find that those wax warmers, I don't know if it's because they're using heat and so heat makes air expand and rise, so it just carries the fragrance molecules with it. But whatever it does, the scent throw is amazing and very intense. Now, I don't buy the very expensive waxes only because I keep my wax warmers running pretty much all day. But I like to get mine at Walmart. Yes, Walmart has a really good brand. I think it's like Better Homes and Garden. That brand, the scent throw is good. They're not very expensive. So if you see those for a good price, scoop them up. You will not be sorry. And they're much safer to me than having your candles burning all day, just for little ones or even just for, yourself. You don't want to forget a candle burning. It's just, hot wax, which yes, that can be dangerous, but my kiddos know not to touch it. And I don't have to worry about the whole house being in jeopardy if someone were to tip over the wax warmer. And I also have my candle wax warmer hooked up to timers so that I can make sure that the wax warmer turns on and off at a certain time. Absolute game changer. The key to having a home that smells good is not just with the aromas and fragrances and such. You also want to make sure that your soft surfaces get deep cleaned. So fabrics hold on to odors. Whether it's a good smell or bad smell, your couch is going to hold on to it, your mattresses and your carpets. So you want to make sure that, yes, we're using, aromatherapy, but also you want to make sure that your soft surfaces are deep cleaned. So even if you have, 100 candles burning and your couch is still not truly clean, then your house is not going to smell as fresh. Now let's talk about the trash cans in our home. I went on Amazon and I bought these little satchels with lavender in there, just lavender, and I think it had like lavender essential oil and then like lavender flowers. And I dropped them into the garbage bins. Not only did it help with the odor, but also it helped to deter gnats because gnats don't like the smell of lavender. But it's a great way, again, for your home to have good fragrance in multiple areas, not just in the foyer, not just in the bathroom, but just throughout your home. So every time someone, or even you and your family, interact with different areas in your home, it's a pleasant fragrance. Laundry baskets. Now, in my house, I do try and do laundry regularly, but sometimes it piles up, right? I have 3 little children, my husband, myself. So what I do is I take some cheesecloth and I double layer the cheesecloth and I make a little satchel and then I put in there some baking soda, and that helps to absorb extra odors and moisture just like it does in your refrigerator. So you drop those into the bottom of your laundry baskets, even your gym bags, and you're good to go. Now this next tip might be one that we often forget to do, but it is very impactful. Ladies, you've got to change your air filters regularly. So if you're not already on a schedule, get on a schedule. It not only helps to purify your air, and I believe it also helps for your ventilation system, your AC unit and heating unit to run better, but it also can impact just the way your home smells. You know, after a while, if you're using the same air filter, then the filter is not doing its job. It's not filtering your air. So the air is going to have particles and dust that hold on to fragrances and hold on to odors that might be unpleasant. So you really want to make sure that you regularly change your air filters. All righty, lady, that is it for today's episode. I really hope you found some of these tips helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to answer the question of the day and stay tuned because I will be doing more giveaways for this month in December. So until Monday, remember, I am Dr. Sherunda Simone, and I will either see you at the top or from the top. You decide. Bye.